Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're gonna go over my Sun's Canyon and what we just did to it. So we installed the protective bed liner from just comes folded in 3 pieces, all sectioned like it's one full piece. And what's nice about it, easy installation. Just slide it in, especially for people that don't have the spray-in box liner. It's I think it's a must-have if you don't want to scratch the bottom and you don't want to pay for spray-in box liner. This is the best way to go. It's made heavy duty, rugged, it's anti-slip. So, and if you go do the groceries and you can't reach anything, you just pull it out. If you get something spilled, easy to clean. So I'll put the links down below. It's from TripleAliner, and you can get them on Amazon, and you can get them on at Walmart. So easy install. Comes in a box, it's folded, and you might have to let it sit for a whole day, so it takes with the sun, so it takes the shape of it from being stored away and whatever. But very easy and convenient. So if you're looking at protecting your floor bed of your pickup, this is probably the best way and cheapest way to go. So yeah, I'll put the link at the description below for both places that you can get them at, and also I'll get a discount code. And it fits for the Colorado and the Canyon from 23 to 24 for the new models. So really easy installation. So if you're thinking of buying something to protect your floor, like I'll show you guys top view of it. So yeah, easy fit, fits nice and cozy and everything fits all nice and tight. Also, there's 3 drain holes in the bottom of your box, and it brings up dust in your pickup because we got the cover, and as you can see, dust accumulates inside, and that's from the drain holes, and it's going to prevent a little bit of dust coming in as well and seal everything up. And if you got a cover like this, like I was saying, and you go to the grocery store and you put stuff in your box, or you got stuff back there and you can't reach it, and it's in the winter and it's snowing, easy to get access to whatever you want, easy to clean, just slide it back in. So yeah, I'll put a discount code as well so you guys can save on this for watching my video, and appreciate it. So we'll catch you on the next one, you guys, and be safe, and dress up your Canyon or your Colorado for 2023, 2024. So yeah, we'll catch you on the next one. This was a short and easy one, so bye for now.